Hey there, I'm Dr. Shauna Dingman, and I want to invite you to participate in our Summer Slim Down Challenge. If you're watching this, then I'm guessing you would love to release a few pounds before the big bathing suit and summer shorts season. And I know there are thousands of people around the world right now participating in this exact same challenge. I know that there are a lot of us feeling like those winter hibernation months have made us a little fuller and curvier than we want to be. And this is a great, great chance to just slim down a bit. I already know what some of you are thinking. First of all, this isn't the right time. And I get it. To be honest, there's never a good time. And the older we get, the more comfortable we get in life. And the reality is that nothing is going to change if nothing changes. So you have to make it the right time. I know that some of you, especially if you're in my over 40-year-old female crowd, you're thinking, you know what, I've tried everything. I have dieted, I've worked out, I've reduced my calorie count to when I feel like I'm almost starving and nothing seems to take the weight off. I hear you. And I have seen so many women who have said the exact same thing get awesome results because this is a different kind of program. You're going to love it. What about if you're leaving on holidays like we are and you're thinking, well, this isn't really the right time because I'm going on holidays? It's an awesome time to do this because the product company that I use, they actually have a lot of their products in travel size pouches so you can take it away with you, and it actually provides some structure around some of your eating when you go away. Think about it. Could you imagine not gaining 5 pounds when you go away on vacation? Or what about if you actually lost a couple of pounds when you came back? Wouldn't that be amazing? So here's how you get started. You want to get in touch with me before June 29th, and we will figure out exactly what your needs and goals are and determine how to best customize this Bedtime Belly Buster program, Summer Slim Down Challenge in a way that fits you and your lifestyle and your needs and your goals. You're also going to get access to a free private Facebook group where you can get all sorts of support and encouragement from other challengers who are doing the exact same thing. I will also provide you, if you want, meal plans, recipes, and grocery lists, so you literally do not have to think about a thing. If you're someone like me who I need to just be able to hit go and not have to figure this all out myself, this Summer Slim Down Challenge is perfect for you. Honestly, it could not be simpler. So I hope to see you in the challenge. I will talk to you before June 29th if you want to sign up. Have an awesome day.